Hi guys, how you doing? So today I'm going to take a look at the Asus ROG Strix 850W power supply. Now you can get this in a couple of flavours. Firstly, there's the black one and the white one, which we've got here. Now I've got it basically for aesthetics. The Corsair 5000X I've got is white, as well as the cooler, and the majority of the motherboard is as well. And the Corsair 850W RMX, which I had, just kind of really isn't up to the job in the sense of the cables are black and it just doesn't fit. So I was looking around, I came across this, and I thought, you know what? I'm going to give that a go. Now there's also the 4 edition, which is a platinum. It's more expensive, it's got RGB, and I was okay. I didn't really kind of mind spending the extra bit of money, but I went for this one because I'm not going to be able to see the power supply in use, so you know, just have it hidden away. I might as well save a little bit of cash. That's absolutely fine. So what we're going to do is have a look at the unboxed installation, and I'll let you know what it's been like to use for the last few days. Let's do it. Right, so if you look at the packaging, it looks really nice. I definitely like the white and silver. It's got a bit of a premium look to it. Around the back, it just gives us some information about it. What I didn't realise before I purchased it, and it looks really cool, is inside it's got the ROG heat sinks. Definitely a nice little touch, and adds that kind of a bit of extra premium to the product. So you've got a nice fan in there, and then the ROG aesthetic. So let's open it up and see what we get. Okay, so inside we have a nice little bag here for the bits, so we'll have a look at that in a moment. We have our power cables. And then in the UK, we obviously use the 3-pin. If you're, I think that's a European one, you can use that, but it's nice that they've accommodated both of us. And we have a power supply. Beautiful. Okay, so my first impression of the unit is exactly what I was expecting, really. It's just really nice. It's got a nice feel to it. It's heavy. I mean, obviously that's going to be due to the heat sinks that are inside. Obviously it's a sign of quality. The unit's made by Seasonic. It's going to be absolutely fantastic. I've got no doubts of it. The grill here, you know, you press on it, it's a little bit, there's a bit of play in there, but again, you know, I don't think it's going to be an issue at all. Do I have a problem about the black plugs? Not really. It's fine. So yeah, so on the side here we've got the Strix 850W Republic of Gamers. But yeah, really nice. And obviously if you've got a case which has an open PSU area, then that's going to look really good. Right, okay, so we've got 2 sets of cables here. These are just like standard ones. Obviously you've got your Molex, your SATA. That's about it in there. Don't particularly like the look of those, because obviously they're not individually sleeved or anything. They're just very basic cables. And to me it looks a little bit off-white, a bit yellowing, but okay, I suppose. Here, these are the ones obviously which we're going to see in the case. They're individually sleeved. They look good, so let's get one of those out. Okay, so if you look at the 24 pin, it looks quite nice. Yeah, like I say, it's more of a creamy colour, this is, but I don't think it's a problem. Yeah, quite weighty, they're nice. Obviously if you get like a Corsair or something like that, you know, it's all kind of bunched together, it's not individually sleeved. But yeah, I definitely like the look of this. What we got in? So here are the cables that are individually sleeved. I'll put a list up on the screen what you get in each configuration. And those. Okay, so let's have a look. So let's have a look at this. Okay, so we get lots of cable ties. Great. Okay, if they were white, that'd be even better. But obviously with these Velcro ties, which are white, I definitely like these. They're very handy when you just want to tuck something away. Definitely keep hold of those for future reference. Ooh. Okay, so we've got, okay, I remember reading about this. So we've got a couple of magnets here, which we can change, we can put on here and here, I believe. Just put them on the side of the power supply. If you just want to change the design of it. I could be wrong. And obviously we've got a few other little stickers there. Do what you like with those. Put them on the power supply, put them on your case. Just a nice little touch. Oh no, we've got a little code for something. Oh, what have we got? So we've got a code for cable mod. We have, okay. As I was saying just now, this is what the stickers are for. You can customise it, which is the first time I've come across this, and it's a nice touch. We have our user guide in every language known to me and more. Yeah, just basically here's a switch. Great. And then we have screws. Right, so I'm going to do a little bit of re-roll of the unit. We're going to get it installed, and that'll be about it. Guys, so I bought the power supply, I've unboxed it, I've installed it, I've used it. What do I think? Now, I absolutely love it. That's the bottom line. It is a bit pricey at £150, but for that, you know, you get a beautiful looking aesthetic. You get amazing cables, easy to manage. They look good. The only negative, I suppose, is that there's no cable combs, but you know, it's just a little thing. It's just well worth the investment. Now, it's made by Seasonic. You get a 10-year warranty, 80+ gold rating. You know, yeah, if it was a little bit cheaper, then that would be even better. But I'm really happy with my purchase, and I'm sure you will be as well. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.